This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, V8 engine, tires all-terrain, keyless entry, navigation system, heated mirrors, four-wheel drive, Bluetooth connection. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.